Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luella Miller. If you're new here, then welcome. Today we are actually cleaning out my fridge. I don't know, should I be embarrassed or not, but I'm mostly glad that it's getting done. Yeah, let's just go look at it. Excuse my loud son, but here is the overview of it. Now, it may not look as bad on camera, but it is terrible. You see that? Oh my word, there's an orange. Who knows how long that was there. It is just gross. Over the summer, we had lots of fresh fruits and vegetables in here, and they just brought in all kinds of dirt and stuff leaked and just created a mess. Let's see them stuck together, but behind there, oh my word, it is gross. Oh yeah. Let's just get started. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm going to take everything out and then clean it over by the sink and then put it back in here. this door is done. I'm not gonna lie. It would be very easy to just tell you that, oh, it's all nice and clean. See, it's all nice and white. But if you look up really close, there's some stains on it, and it feels like it's in the plastic, like it's not sticky or anything. So that kind of sucks. But this is a really old fridge. It's on its last leg. Let's just say that. But for the most part, it looks like somebody gave me a new fridge. Thank you for that. I feel so good. The fridge inside, everything is clean, everything is done. I'm not going to do the freezer part because that's a whole nother subject for another day. I actually just cleaned that out maybe 2 months ago. Not sure. Maybe a little bit longer than that. But I know what's in my freezer, and if I do need to, I need to defrost it if anything, which it isn't even really bad with that. So I wanted to do that and my other freezer sometime, probably before we move sometime. So yeah, let's go finish putting all the shelves back in and putting all the food back in. I need to wash off the shelves from the door.
I'd known that earlier, but now I do. I'll do this with you, 'cause God, you are my comforter.
Ready for the great reveal. Oh my goodness, it is so clean in here. It shines. I am so happy. These doors, I have no idea what happened there. It was like that when we moved here, other than it broke. But this is all nice and clean. These, I think they did a really bad job in covering their little holes. It's like yellow around the holes and the holes aren't even filled, so whatever. But this thing is so clean. Now that it's clean, I want to wipe some of this food stuff down that I have here, and I want to put it back in the fridge. And I have an Aldi run pickup order soon here in about an hour, so I'm going to quickly put all this back in, then I'll give you a haul, and I'll put that stuff in the fridge as well. So let's get this done first. needs to be in. There's quite a few things that I didn't put back in because it was just too old or it gone bad. I am gonna not even show you what I did right here because I'm gonna pick up my older order and things are gonna change. I just basically put it back in like I had it. I'm a pretty once I did something once, I'll always do it type girl. Like if I put my something up here, it'll always be there. So anyways, now to pick up the Aldi order. Back with a giant grocery haul. Oh my word. I was out of a lot of weird stuff, like stuff that I don't normally on the regular buy. I only go to Aldi's like once a month usually, and so I stock up, and I have a pantry so I keep stuff in there, and I am making soup for tomorrow for church, so I got stuff for that. I'm making cheeseburger soup, and we got a huge pile of cereal. We actually eat cereal instead of snacks. I know a lot of people eat snacks. We eat cereal instead of chips and that kind of thing. So we have a lot of cereal. Here's an overview of the stuff that I got. This row here is all cereal. I'm not proud of it that we eat this cereal, but we like it so much and we've tried to stop, but just nothing takes the place of it. Funny that I said we don't eat snacks. We actually do. I keep these on hand for the kids when we go to church. These are a really good non-messy type snack for them. They love them. And then I got those for Joseph and I, or when we want to take snacks somewhere or something. I always like to keep at least 1 or 2 bags of chips on hand to take to people's houses if we need to take snack. Here I am actually planning on making Rice Krispies, hence more Rice Krispies over there, but I am doing that and also some granola bars that take these. They're really good. And then I have some Oreos, graham crackers, 2 bags of crackers for tomorrow. 2 boxes, I meant. Here we have clementines, 2 thingies of blueberries, bananas, grapes, tomatoes. Here we have some peppers, cucumbers, crescent rolls, and these go with these. We use those for, I call them pigs in the blanket. I don't know, what do you call them? We have broccoli, celery, and we have yogurt here and yogurt here. I want to make my own again, and I just need to get a starter. And this is cottage cheese. We love that with peaches. Mild cheddar. I do grate my own cheese, but I don't have any cheddar right now on hand, so I wanted to get that. 1 thing of eggs, Miracle Whip. Again, this is stuff I don't normally buy. I always buy honey and coffee, but like all this stuff, I don't usually buy all of this. It's just I was out right now. Miracle Whip, peanut butter, seasoned salt, 2 Italian dressing. We just do this over our chicken that we grill, like the these chicken tenders. Oh, they're so good. Just let it sit like for a few hours, or if you don't even have time to let it sit, that's fine too. But that's really good. Honey, that's what I use in my latte. And I wanted to try this brand of coffee out. I don't know. It sounded good, but I'm not one big fan of flavored coffee, so we'll try it. That is our normal coffee that we buy. We have 2 drinks here for the kids. And this is, again, something I don't usually buy, but we've been out of drinks for them. And down here, we have these these drinks that I get for them, so when we have wine or something like that and they want to drink too, then they can have those. And I just got those just for something different for them. I got 2 bologna things. Not healthy, not proud of it, but it's so good. It's like my favorite sandwich since I was probably 6, I don't know. And 2 chicken tenders, 2 bags of sugar, not salt. And this is I don't use this laundry soap. Funny that I got it, right? But I use all natural laundry soap that I buy from Young Living. And I still always keep 1 bottle of this on hand, because if I just like run out for a load or 2 before my next shipment comes in from Young Living, I need laundry soap, and it's the biggest bummer to be out of soap. So I got that just to keep on hand. to turn you around here, we have 2 bags of onions in there because I want to make barbecue sauce. Sorry, it's kind of dark. And in here we have 1 bag of sweet potatoes and 2 bags of regular potatoes. Those go in the soup. And then toilet paper and trash bags. And here are more drinks. Here's a Sprite. I just figured that we could mix it with grape juice or something. I make some really good drinks that I have almost every day with those. I do, it's like a healthy drink, and those don't have sugar in them. Some sparkling waters do. Get the ones that don't. Make sure that if you care about that anyways. So, let's get all this stuff put away. That's a big load, you guys. That's a lot. That's a lot. But, anyway, here is how this is looking. So let's get it all put away and keep on with the fridge. So first off, I fix water in the sink and I wash all my produce, everything. I use Thieves from Young Living fruit and veggie wash, if I can talk. And then I just let them soak while I put everything else away.
surface level striving, only resting in Father's arms. I am free, free at last, living loved, falling fast in your grace. I am saved, I find my rest in your embrace. In your embrace. Oh, I am free, free at last, living loved, falling fast in your grace. I am saved, find my rest in your embrace. In your embrace. Just be held, you're safe now. Just breathe in, just breathe out, just be held, you're safe now.
Okay, so a quick overview of what we got out of the fridge. A lot of these dishes came out of the fridge. Obviously the plates and cup didn't, but I had one of those in there. The other one was empty this morning. The water pitcher still belongs in there. I just want to wash it yet. And most of this stuff came out of there. That one didn't. And I found a few. This one is just old. It's not rotten or anything. We could still use it, but it's just old. And this one here is a little gross. So let's look at the fridge. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so happy with how this turned out. Up here we have salsa, applesauce, pizza will go the pizza sauce, and any kind of sauce, applesauce, like any kind of that thing. This have a little bit of dip left. It's kind of old, but it's still good, and I want to keep it in the front here so that we get it used. Back there I have some frosting that we have left over, and I just like to keep it on hand. It keeps for a really long time, and that is stuff for water kefir, butter, sour cream on this side, and down here we have a drink back there for the kids when they are having constipation problems. Here we have yogurt and cottage cheese, and usually my Velveeta cheese or my cheese melt or something like that goes in here, so I want to keep that spot open for that. My eggs, and here are all leftover stuff. We have leftovers there, so that means no supper. I don't have to make supper tonight. In here I have my meats and cheese usually, and I just stuck these in here. The crescent rolls, I will be making them probably next week anyway, so I just wanted to stick them in there. And then down here, oh, by the way, if you think it's weird that I'm pulling everything forward, our fridge freezes in the back, so I can't put anything way in the back, so everything has to stay forward. Same with the fruits and vegetables. Nothing is actually in the back here, really. So that is all our stuff. I will pull out those paper towels as soon as they're dry enough. And here we have our grapes back there, and then we have carrots and blueberries. I got those last month, and they're still good. They're still really good. Kids still snack on them. Here's my milk. We get that from a local farm. Broccoli and peppers, and then down here we have, doesn't this just look beautiful? We have cucumbers underneath there, tomatoes, apples, and oranges. Here we have our drink drawer, the kids' drinks, and then my drink, which they drink too. And that is it. Oh, excuse me, that's not it. Over here we have our drinks, and here we have our condiments, like for sandwiches and stuff. And up here we have our salad dressings. That's mostly how it is. Right there's our jellies, and that's apple butter. Right here, these three items, they're just kind of all in their own little thingy here. And then that's for like salads and stuff like that. But it is so amazing. Just look at that. I just feel so good about this whole thing. So that's it for me today, guys. I really hope that you found this inspiring, and that if you have a fridge that needs to be cleaned out, that you have the energy now to go do that. I am so happy that this is done. I've been wanting to do this. I actually started this video already probably a month ago, and it never went anywhere because, well, I think mom duty called, but I restarted everything and it was still as dirty as it was then, if not dirtier. So if you guys found this helpful, tell me how you organize your fridge and how you keep it organized or clean, other than cleaning it. I mean, obviously. I would really, really love to know, because I find that I don't really have a system a whole lot, other than I just have my categories kind of, and once it's in that spot, it'll just always be in that spot kind of thing. So I know what's in my fridge, but I rarely have stuff going bad on me, which I am so thankful for. Most times I can get it used up before. So thanks for following along with me today. I really, really, really enjoyed it. I think the fridge is my worst thing to clean in my whole house. I would much rather like clean 5 toilets than clean a fridge. I don't know. Something about cleaning a fridge is just not my favorite, as you can tell. So I guess that's it for me today, guys. I really am thankful that you guys are here, and I would really love if you'd subscribe to my channel. And for those of you that have already, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. I love putting out content for you guys, and I hope to be back on the bandwagon, posting every Monday. That's what I want to do and what my goal is, but I don't always get it done. But if you are subscribed, then you'll get notified if I post a video, so I would love if you do that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.